www.everything4for2012.com. Again, www.everything4for2012.com. How you doing today? My name is Dan Postlewaite, and this video is a redo of our first video. I got a lot of people asking me to kind of redo the video, explain it a little bit better, so that's what I'm going to do. What we're going to talk about today is what's coming. What is actually going to happen 12/21/2012. And what, I mean, a lot of people have heard about the Mayan prediction, the I Ching, the Hopi Indians, all of them giving this date, this end of time. So what we're going to do is we're going to put that aside. We're going to let you go and research that on yourself. It's something that I think that you need to do, is not to take anybody's word on anything, including myself. You take the time and research actually what's happening. What we're going to do is look at what our scientists are saying is going on and what's happening, and the bits and pieces that have been put out there, and kind of connecting the dots. Our galaxy will be represented by this DVD. And what makes this a perfect representation is the fact that the DVD is flat, and our galaxy, among all galaxies, are flat. What causes this is a black hole. Illustrated here in the DVD is the center. It's a hole. Well, in the center of our galaxy, in the center of all galaxy, is a supermassive black hole. Now, this black hole is something that our scientists have acknowledged within the last 5 years. Something that they may have known about prior to, but it has been concluded and proven to exist within the last 5 years. Now, what this black hole does is it spins. And as it spins, it creates a magnetic force. This magnetic force is known as the galactic plane. Now, this galactic plane, which would be this, and the black hole are one and the same, making it the most powerful force in our galaxy, bar none. Alright, so I mean, now we have the most powerful force in the galaxy. Now what's happening is a cycle. I mean, everything in our universe, our galaxy, goes through a cycle. The moon rotates around the earth rotates around the sun, all the other planets rotate around the sun in a cycle. Well, the galactic plane has a cycle. And it's what keeps our galaxies flat. Okay, I'm going to just bear with me here. I'm going to kind of do this. Say this is the black hole, and coming out from the black hole is this galactic plane. Alright, so illustrated here, excuse the line, but this is what's going on. So here we are. Here's our solar system, our planet, our sun, everything. What we do is we go through this black hole like this. Now, the interesting thing is that this takes approximately 30 million years to happen. And what transpires when we go through this galactic plane is what's going to happen on 12/21/2012. All right, the center of our sun, our galaxy, on this date goes through this galactic plane. Now, what exactly is going to happen? Well, we're talking magnetic fields. All right, our Earth, our planet, has a North Pole and a South Pole, and this is kind of like a bar magnet. The equator cuts across the center. You have your North Pole and your South Pole. Well, our North Pole points towards the galactic plane. So as we go through the galactic plane, what's going to happen, again, excuse me for 1 second, is our North Pole is going to switch. Now, not necessarily the planet, just the gravitational field. Our gravitational field, which points towards the galactic plane, as it's going to go through the galactic plane, is going to go from here to here to here. It's going to reverse. So as it goes through, it's going to end up pointing this way. When it comes out the other side, it's going to remain pointing towards the galactic plane, which is going to cause what's known as a polar shift. A magnetic shift. When this magnetic shift happens, our planet, which is a water planet, it's gonna go through some real dramatic changes. As we start going through this galactic plane, the first thing that you're gonna notice is that our day is gonna get longer. The reason for this is that our planet rotates clockwise. As it's going through the galactic plane, it's going to start to slow down, and as it goes through this polar reversal, it's going to rotate in the opposite direction. This is going to cause major problems. I mean, if you can imagine, we live on a water planet. Take a gallon of water, turn it upside down. It's dramatic. One of the things to understand is it's just not this planet that's going to go through the galactic plane. Our sun, our solar system, all the planets in the solar systems are going to go through a polar reversal. Our sun is a gas planet, a gas system. It's going to have solar flares. I mean, the U.S. government has already come out. NASA has come out and said, we expect extreme solar events in 2012. Well, this is why. But, you know, they're not coming off the rest of this. They can't come off the rest of this. They cannot openly sit there and say that our planet is in a national crisis. There's 6 billion people on this planet. Plus, you cannot tell 6 billion people that we're screwed. So I mean, that's the nuts and the bolts of it. That's what's coming. I'm going to be doing more videos on you know, world government, and you know, also on, you know, what you can do, how to prepare for this catastrophe. Again, go to www.everything42012.com. We have a live chat room in the Contact Us section. You can go in there. If nobody's there, you can leave a time that you will be back in the room, and myself or one of my associates would be more than happy to be there, to talk to you, to answer any questions you have. Please do not take my word for this. I'm just a regular guy. I figured this out. I mean, you know, I connected the dots. You know, and if I connected the dots, then you can connect the dots. You can look into this. You can see what's going on in yourself. See what's going on. Don't take my word. Find the truth. The truth is out there. Thank you. Bye.